In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to draw a duck that is a pilot character. Let's get started. Draw a circle, then draw curved lines from the circle like this. Now just draw another curved line at the bottom part. Then draw a horizontal line . After that, draw some rectangle and square shapes like this for the glass. Try to make some semi-S shape for the cap. Now for the eye, again draw a half circle. Then in the middle part, draw again a half circle. This will be the eyeball. For the duck beak, try to make a triangle kind of shape with smoother edge, like this. Draw same, but this time for the lower part of the beak. Now put two dots on the beak for the nostril. Now it's time to color. For coloring, select lasso tool and then select the area and then color it. If you are choosing foreground color, then its shortcut key is Alt plus backspace that I am using. Remember, always make new layer for each parts. For the plane, draw two circles for the front part, one big and second one should be small. You can make plenty of circles for the design. For the wings, just draw a straight line and a little curved line for the bottom part, and here we go. Now try to do some petal shape for the blade. Now it's time to shade. Choose darker color version of your selected area and turn on the transparent lock option from the layer panel option. Now, for the fur, select the smudge tool option. I have taken here a hairbrush, but if you don't have hairbrush, not to worry about. Just pick the soft round brush or hard round brush for this purpose, and this will give you the same effect that it's giving mine, okay? Remember, whatever the brush you are choosing, the main thing is this part will take a few times from you. As much as you will give this a little bit of time, the more realistic it will look, okay? So for the eye, use black color for the upper eyelid part. Now in the eyeball, use light orange or a lighter orangish yellow, you can say, to show the color of the eyeball. Here use simple soft round brush, then add reflection with pure white. Now again for the plane, turn on the transparent lock, then start to apply the darker color at the edges to give it a nice 3D look. For finishing touches, we will apply just few lines where it's necessary. So it's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy and have learned something from this video. If you do so, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your opinion, feedback, whatever you have in your mind into the comment section below. And of course, if you are new and want to learn about art both digitally and hand drawings, so please do subscribe my channel with the bell notification icon, so that each time I will upload and you will get notified for it. Okay, I will see you on my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.